Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Cancers. We'll be picking few cards, guys, from this tarot deck, and I'll be picking cards from the other decks for your love energies and for your oracle guidance. I'll be picking one card, guys. So these are for your daily energies. Cancers. Five of Pentacles, the Hangman in reverse, the Emperor in reverse, guys. Sorry guys, the Hangman's not in reverse, it's straight. The Emperor in reverse. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that maybe these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So in your career you are putting in efforts, whatever you need to do you are doing it, guys, but there may be some struggles or some stressful situations, guys, maybe there in your work, or it may be something in your relationship. Though you may have that understanding and love with this person, you may be having some arguments or some misunderstandings in your relationship. That is what I see here. Though you have that deep bond with this person, there are some things that are stressing you today, guys. That is what I see with these cards. And maybe for some of you, you are just sick and tired of things happening in a bad way again and again. Some obstacles or some stressful situations. So you just want to let go of all those strings, let go of that stressful situation, release yourself, go for that emotional release from the situation. And maybe for some of you all, you may be seeing things in a different way now, guys, in your work or in your relationship. A subtle shift in your perception is happening today. You are seeing things with a better understanding. You are seeing truth in a different light today. Truth for itself, without your judgment or without your views clouding that vision. So maybe for some of you, you may be getting clarity in your situation because of that stress. Whatever you are facing, guys, that is opening your eyes of knowledge today, Cancers. That is what I see. So all that stressful things that are happening, maybe you may be getting some wisdom out of that, some learning out of that. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you, that wisdom you are using it to help others, guys, because of the way you see your situation, maybe in your personal life or in your work situation. Because of all that stressful situations you have come through, you have that learning about that situation, and you are able to handle anything well, and people may come to you for your guidance, guys. You are giving them counsel, suggestions on what you need to do. That is what I see with these cards, Cancers. Let us see what are the cards for your love energy. So we'll be picking cards from this deck, guys. I'll be picking randomly, guys, from this deck. Cancers, house, fish, garden. So with these cards, guys, the energy for you all is that you are trying to structure your life, guys. This may relate to your career situation or your relationship or personal life. So you're trying to go for that stability, that security in your relationship or it may relate to your work situation. So you are making those efforts, tremendous efforts, guys. That is what I see. Structuring your life, creating your boundaries. So what are your ideals, what are your views, and what are your goals and achievements, whatever that is. You are fixing your mind on that and you are working towards that. That is what I see with this card. And maybe for some of you, you may be doing something in repetition, some kind of repetitive activity. So for some of you it may be some health oriented habit, or something positive, maybe like meditation or detox diet, something like that. If it is something of that sort, you can go for it, guys. Keep doing it. But if it is something bad, maybe some kind of excessive behavior, addictions, drinking, smoking, something of that sort, which may harm your health, which may be not be good for you, you need to give that up, guys, or try to go for that moderation. That is what these cards are about. So you have to be careful. And maybe for some of you, you may be wishing a prosperity and things going in a very positive way, too much of something. So you need to understand that too much of something is not good, guys. Only when we have the required amount of things, whatever it is in our life, it may be money or wealth or whatever happiness, when it is there at the right level, it will bring us peace. Anything in excess will only bring us the devastating effects, guys. So you need to understand that maybe for some of you things may be going in a moderate way, not up to your expectations, but it is enough for us, maybe for some of us. But you need to understand that, guys, whatever blessings are there in your life, you need to understand that all that you need is right with you now. So that is also what these cards are about. And maybe for some of you, you may be planning to spend time with your friends or family, or with this person. You want to spend time with them. So you are going to meet them, or you may be going to a party or some communal activity with friends, your common friends, something of that sort, guys. Some cultural events, something you are doing to have fun, enjoy your day. So that is what these cards are about, guys. Cancers, let us see what is the oracle's guidance for your Cancer. I'll be picking one card randomly, guys, from this deck, the oracle's guidance deck, guys. So two cards are stuck together here. Okay, guys. Happy. So with this card, guys, the energy, this may relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys. So the oracle's guidance for y'all is that whatever is happening today in your life right now at present, you have to feel that contentment and fulfillment today, guys. So you don't have to long expect for something to go in a different way. When you have that feelings of want and desires, that is when you may feel that your expectations are not met and you will feel sad. So you need to overcome all that, guys. Let that go. So in your relationship also with this person, it just means that whatever you are having right now with this person, that happiness, that joy, or that peace and love that you experience today. You need not compare it with the past, whatever you had, or you need not expect something else in future and think about that, but you need to be there with this person right now. Whatever you have now, feel happy for it. So this card is about feeling happiness in your present situation, guys. Be grateful for how things are going your way today and have that happiness for this day. So when you have that happiness, no matter what your situation is, you will attract more happiness towards you, guys. That is the important thing about this card. So things may not go up to our expectations, but even after that, after knowing that things are not going up to our expectations, we need to be happy. When we are happy without that expectations and longing, things will turn to become positive, guys, in our life, and we will enjoy more happiness, because happiness attracts more happiness and prosperity today, guys. And that is the oracle guidance for you all, Cancers, and that is the reading for you today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.